Hey everybody, this is Pam at the Paper Outpost, and today I still have a cold, but I'm getting better. And I thought I would give you a little tour of one of my old journals that I keep. I'm not selling this journal, but it's just a little bit of a different style, and I thought I would show it to you. Oh, I think, is it right? Hang on, I gotta check something first. But yeah, I wrote in it. Okay. So this was actually designed as a one-year diary. And it's a fat little guy. It has 12 tiny little signatures in it. And I thought I'd just kind of give you a little guided tour of it. It's adorable. It has just a tiny little spine dangle here, made of some like fluffy, fuzzy stuff. And a weird, I just bent this, this was jewelry wire, and I just made a coil and then bent it back and forth and put a bead on it and just put some other beads. I don't know, just goofing around, just doing something fun. And put it on with a clip. It's removable. It is pretty wide. Let me see exactly how wide this baby is. It's about it's about 3 3/4 inches wide spine, which is pretty wide. And it's 4.5 inches this way. And then about 6.5 inches tall, just for rough measurements. It is covered in, this is just a bed sheet, and it has the best, it's a really soft bed sheet. It's a nice bed sheet. good quality bed sheet. It has metal corner protectors on here, and those are fun to use if you've never used those before. And I just did some stenciling with some, I believe they were either paints or distressings. And I glittered it a little bit just for fun. But that was a very easy, quick way to do the cover. This was some gilding paste or gilding wax. If you've never seen that stuff, I'll show you. Here's one example of it. This is bronze. That might be, or it almost looked like a copper color more than a bronze. But this one is Pentart. And I just basically stuck it on my finger and ran it across there to give it some faux spine little things there. And then the back I left plain. And when you open it up, now I wouldn't sell this one because obviously it's my diary, but I didn't get very far in it. I'm not a very good journaler, like writing in my journals. I think I got through to March. So there's writing, there's March. And then yep, definitely pooped out after that. So, there's there's little bits and pieces there, something in there, but not much. It's like, yeah, I know I pooped out. I know it was a serious poop out after that, but I like the concept of the journal itself. I probably could have used a thicker piece of cardboard in here, but I probably just used a box of some sort, probably food box or something like that. And I like the way it kind of does this. Yeah, I don't know why it does that, but it just does that, and it's very cool. And so I'll just show you maybe one of the back signatures. And I tried to pick a scrapbook paper that matched the season, so this would have been December. And here's an old radio code manual paper in here. And did I write on the date? I did. I went through and I wrote every date down. So I guess because it's not, there's no year established in this other than the first 3 months where I actually wrote. I could continue in here. Maybe that'll happen someday. Maybe it won't. Maybe I'll just keep this in my coffee table chest with my other journals that I made and just pull it out every once in a while and look at it. I mean, I don't know. There's just something, I just like having books and, books that I make by hand, and maybe I'll do something with this one day, but I'm not going to get rid of it. I was obviously writing some kind of weird note to myself. But it was a really fun thing to make. Oh, I can see in here that's just cardboard in there as the spine, but there's something glittery on it. Like I must have sprayed it with glitter spray or something. You probably can't pick that up on the camera, but there's like glitter spray in there. And the back, it looks like I wanted to hide some of the cardboard, so I just put some trim down here. And, just so you know, I'm almost ready with the fabric pack, so hold on to your hats. And I'm almost ready to sell the other journal that I have the fabric this journal will be going up for sale very soon as well too. I would probably would have put it up for sale tonight, or not, well, on Wednesday's video, but with the cold, I don't have the energy right now. So I have still some stuff I want to do in that journal anyway, so who am I kidding? It wasn't ready. You're not ready yet. You're not ready to come off the presses. But you can make, I just wanted to show you can make journals of different sizes and shapes and numbers of signatures inside. And so this has 12, and it's really not that big of a journal. So you have a lot of flexibility with size and number of signatures and how fat they are. I mean, how wide do you want to go with your spine? This is probably one of the widest spines I've ever done, just because I needed that many to accommodate all those signatures. And I like going like that with this journal. I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, so here is, I can show you like the different thingies. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, goodness gracious. Let's see. Here's probably summer, fall, Halloween, spooky, scary stuff. Yeah, that was kind of fun to do. More coffee dyed paper. And just a lot of fun. So I just want to toss that out as a little inspiration. Really not much more to say about that than what I've said, but I think I'm going to give my voice a little rest. I just wanted to jump in and say a quick hi. And, well, I think we're just going to, Sonny, do you have anything to say? You do? Okay, well, maybe he can say something and take it for me. Here, come here, baby. I know. You're all comfy. I know. Why don't you say something nice to people? Hello, everybody. I'm a little squeaky tonight, but I'm here. I'm present. And I want you to know I'm thinking about each and every one of you. Yes, even you over there. You in the back row. I see you. And Mom's a little under the weather, but she wants you to know that she cares about you all very much. And she's hoping you're having a lot of good papery fun. And everything is just dandy. She's almost over this silly thing. It's like the last day of the yuckies, and it'll be much better going forward. Thank you for being so positive about that, Sunshine. No problem, Mom. I got your back. Okay, thanks, son. All right, well, we're going to sign off. I know it's a shorty today, but I just wanted you all to know we are thinking about you. We're thinking lovely, crafty, papery thoughts. And we hope you're having fun out there. Craft on, and we will be hopefully back on board full throttle on Friday. And have a nice night, everybody. Take care. Okay. And for those of you who don't know, I have a free monthly emailed newsletter. You can tell them about it. No, you tell them, Mom. You say it better. Okay. Oh, okay. You're going to wiggle on me. All right. I'll put you down. I have a free monthly emailed newsletter. If you would like to get a free digital image emailed to you, a checklist of supplies, a note from the bookmaker which explains what a junk journal is and how to use it, and a page list of ideas which you can use to help break the blank page in any junk journal. And if you would like tips on how to make junk journals, peeks at new Digikits coming out, updates from me, that's your place to go. Just sign up. And the link is in my description box below my videos on YouTube. And my videos come out Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays, 7 a.m. Eastern Time. My podcasts, which are new audio material related to junk journals, paper crafting, life of a crafter, and answering your crafting questions, comes out Tuesdays and Thursdays. And then on the other days, it's going to be video podcasts, which you can watch on Spotify. And I have an Etsy shop. Holy moly. Yeah, there you go. I have an Etsy shop where when I have journals and bundles and kits and fun things like that done, I will put them up for sale in my Etsy shop. And sometimes I make big social media splashes about it. Sometimes I just sneak things in there. So come on by and have a peek every once in a while. Never know what you can find. And I also sell Digikits, which are printable, downloadable computer files, where if you like themed images for your junk journals, if you want to make, there's just an example of one. I always seem to be pulling out the same one as the example. But they come in 5 sheets, or you can print them out. There's 5 sheets worth, and they're all a variety of related but unique pictures. And you can use them for pockets and tucks and things like that, and journal cards and cover art and fun things in your junk journals. And I also sell FUNDLEs, which are collections of, I have an example here, old and interesting papers. If you like antique ledger and old postcards, receipts, checks, black and white photos, really cool book pages, piano roll paper. There's some always interesting papers. There's over 100 plus pieces in each one, and that comes with free priority shipping. And this is a FUNDLE with an F, as in Frank. And then I also have a print and mail service. So let's say, I don't know why I always do it in this order, but let's say you would like to have something like these that you print out at home, but you don't have a printer or you don't like to print. Well, all you need to do, and I'll explain this. The easiest way to do this is to go to www.thepaperoutpost.com, and that will take you to my Etsy shop. I set up a separate website in Etsy so you can only see my items. And if you're looking for the print and mail Digikits, you'll see the link there to click on it. And then all you need to do is send me the list of 10 names of Digikits that you want. I wish there was a drop-down menu or something where you could pick them and just click them. It would be so much easier, but Etsy doesn't afford us that luxury, so we're working with what we got here. So you can either email it to Pam at the Paper Outpost, your list of 10 Digikit names. I only need the first one, 2 to 3 words, so I know which one you're talking about. And then then you can also, if you don't want to email it to me, you can just send it through Etsy message, the list 1 through 10, and then I'll know which ones you want, and I will print those out for you. And that fee also includes free priority mail shipping. So there you go. And I have an Amazon shop if you're looking for favorite tools and supplies that you see me use on the channel here. I try and put links to everything that I can find links for in my Amazon shop. That does help my shop, my Paper Outpost shop, when you use those links, but you do not pay more for these items for using my links. So thank you very much for everybody who has clicked on those links. And I have a t-shirt shop. If you like the phrases "create with reckless abandon" or "everything is a craft supply until proven otherwise," you can get that on a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, a zipped hoodie, a mug, a tote, or a water bottle. And you can find me on social media on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. I also have a Facebook group called the Paper Outpost Facebook group, and we do weekly and monthly challenges, as well as seeing what you guys make from these videos. It's a great place to come for inspiration, to see how people take these ideas and just run wild with them. And you guys are so darn creative and inventive. I get so much inspiration from you, and you are certainly welcome to just come on over and lurk. You don't have to comment or post, but you certainly can if you want to. And we have a very nice group of dedicated, amazing people who are helping us keep the Facebook group a nice, safe, happy place for everybody to participate in. So thank you very much to our admins and mods. And most of all, remember that fun can be simple. Create with reckless abandon. And we'll talk to you next time, hopefully with less of a cold. All right, take care, everyone. Have a nice night. And we'll talk soon. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.